Today, we're diving into the easiest ways to deposit cash into your USA account. USA doesn't have its own physical branches, so you can't walk into a USA office to deposit cash directly. Instead, you can rely on partners and ATMs. Let's explore these options first. If you have a bank account with another major bank, such as Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, you can deposit cash into their account and then transfer the funds over to your USA account through an electronic transfer. Secondly, many ATMs allow cash deposits. Look for ATMs displaying the Allpoint or MoneyPass logo. These are generally fee-free for USA members. To make deposits, select the deposit option on the ATM screen. Enter your account information and the dollar amount you are depositing and follow the on-screen instructions, which may include inserting cash directly or using an envelope. Depending on the ATM, be aware that there may be daily or transaction limits set by either the ATM operator or USAA. Check with your bank or the ATM screen display for specifics. Thirdly, if you wish to use the Find ATM or branch feature on your USA account, you may find banks that will take your deposit. To find a deposit location using the USA app, go to the Transfers and Deposits section. Then select Deposit Cash. You might be prompted for a zip code to find nearby banks. To recap, you can deposit cash using an ATM, sending an electronic transfer, or locating and depositing cash at a partner bank. Make sure to understand the limits, and always keep proof of your deposit, such as a receipt, until the money has been credited to your account. And there you have it, depositing cash into your USA account made easy.